Hi, I'm Masiba, and welcome to this course on prompt engineering. Let's unlock the true power of AI together. AI is amazing, but its results depend entirely on your prompts. Vague prompts lead to weak, unpredictable outputs, while clear, structured prompts produce professional quality results. Think of AI as a robot. A confused robot delivers messy outputs. A guided robot produces exactly what you need. It's all in how you communicate with it. In this course, you will learn the core framework of strong prompts, such as instruction, context, persona, and format or constraints. Each element is a building block that transforms your results. You'll also practice refining prompts for text, code, and creative outputs using advanced strategies like chain of thought reasoning and few short examples, making AI work smarter for you. Apply prompts for coding, summarization, content creation, and even text to image generation. You will see real, actionable improvements immediately. Pause and think of a prompt you have used before. How could the core framework make it better? That small shift can completely transform AI outputs. Let's get started and build the skills to become a confident professional prompt engineer.